This is a Random Masters production.
And we will be jumping today off of that ramp with these RC cars.
My car that I will start off first is the red Corvette.
My car is the yellow Corvette.
My second car is the Gravedigger.
My second car is the Spider-Man monster truck. And my fifth car is the Hummer monster truck, the biggest one of them all. Just let me go give the camera to the cameraman. Oh, cameraman.
Hello. And this has been a Random Masters production. Remember, I'm the first owner, he's the third owner, he's the cameraman.